If you need to rotate a video in CapCut by 90 degrees, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate your clip on the timeline using CapCut's built-in rotate tool. This is perfect if your video was recorded sideways, if you want to fix a vertical clip, or if you just need to turn footage for a better layout. And before we get into it, if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is already placed on the timeline. The first step is to select the clip. To do that, left-click directly on the video clip you want to rotate. You should see it highlighted, which tells you CapCut has selected the correct clip. If you have multiple clips on the timeline, be careful to choose the exact one you want to adjust. Once the clip is selected, look right above the track timeline. You'll see a row of tools and editing options across the top of the timeline area. This is where CapCut keeps several quick editing controls, including the rotate option. Take a moment to locate that toolbar, because the rotate tool is right there and easy to miss if you're not looking in the right spot. Now click the rotate icon. It usually looks like a curved square arrow, which represents turning the video in a set direction. When you click it once, your clip rotates 90 degrees. If you click it twice, it rotates 180 degrees. And if you click it 3 times, it will rotate 270 degrees. So if your goal is a simple quarter-turn rotation, just one click is all you need. This is especially useful when a video is sideways and you want to quickly correct the orientation without manually adjusting settings. It's also a fast way to experiment with different angles if you're making a creative edit. If the rotation doesn't look right the first time, just click again until you reach the angle you want. After rotating the clip, play it back to make sure everything looks correct in the preview window. Check the framing, the orientation, and whether any important part of the video got cut off. Depending on how your footage was recorded, you may also need to resize or reposition the clip so it fills the screen properly after rotation. If you want to rotate another clip, just repeat the same process. Select the clip, find the toolbar, and click the rotate icon the number of times you need. It's a very simple workflow once you know where the button is, and it can save you a lot of time when editing multiple clips. So that's how to rotate video 90 degrees in CapCut. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how your final edit looks. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.